Okay, so I decided to go ahead and bleach these knots. I don't remember the last time I bleached knots. I really only did it because I had some other wigs that I was bleaching the knots. But this came out pretty good. But I really want you guys to take a second and look at the curls on this unit. They are beautiful. I cannot wait to install this. Okay, dolls, so I went ahead and I switched the part to a side part, and I did go ahead and pluck the front of this unit just slightly. It's curly hair. When it comes to curly hair, you really don't have to pluck your hair too much. That's one of the benefits of curly hair, which makes it a lot more beginner friendly because it doesn't look as bad if it's not plucked as opposed to if it was a straight unit. But as I mentioned, this unit already did come pre-plucked, so you will be fine. So let me go ahead and try this unit on. This should be a very quick install. It's a closure unit. These are becoming one of my favorite now, right behind the headband wigs, because they're so easy to they're so easy to install. By the way, do you guys still like headband wigs? I would really love to know. Sound off in the comment section down below. So let me go ahead and try this on. And I am not wearing a stocking cap underneath because I don't do that really anymore. So yeah, I was really light on the plucking. Okay, so this is the HD 5x5 closure unit. You can see the lace is very nice. Okay, first, you guys know when you're dealing with a closure unit, you do have these long strips on the side, so you want to be sure and cut those off. So this will make sure that white part is not showing. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Actually, I've been feeling laying it down and cutting the lace later. So I'm gonna just continue with that. If it's not broke, don't fix it. I'm gonna take out some hair for some baby hair that I'm gonna lay after. I'm gonna lightly spray some Got to Be Glue Insta Hold down the middle. Now I'm just take my elastic band and tie this down for about 5 minutes. Cut the lace off. I'm gonna lay my baby hairs down with my Wetline Extreme Gel. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my makeup back to my forehead. And I'm gonna put some of my Fit Me powder into the parting space. Okay, so I'm gonna take my wax stick and just press the front of this hairline back a little bit so that it looks a little bit more clean. This hair is still wet. I'm gonna use my diffuser just to dry the front a little bit. You guys cannot finish your install without the wax stick and the hot comb. I don't care. That's just the icing on the cake. It's always what takes the install to the next level. And I'm gonna just tie this hairline down again briefly to set the baby hairs. So now the hair is slightly damp in the front, so I'm gonna just use my diffuser to slightly dry the curls. I don't want them to be fully dry because I do kind of want like a slightly wet look, but I do want to have it a little bit more defined. So I'm gonna wet this back so that it could be uniform. I'm gonna wet this one so this one could be a little bit more uniform. I'm gonna take a little bit of my kinkier curling mousse and just apply it to the top. Take this elastic band off. And she's ready. So dolls, I actually have some place to go tonight. Unlike normally when I do these reviews and I'm getting ready for club bed. So I'm getting ready to head out the door, but before I do, let me give you the details on this unit. As I mentioned, this unit is from Nadula Hair. This is their 5x5 HD lace closer, and this is the curly hair, which I am in love with. This curl texture is everything, okay? I will tell you guys that I did get some shedding while I was bleaching the knots on this lace. That's typical when you have curly units. I did get a little bit more than typical, but nothing too major. This is in 22 inches. I'm gonna turn around so you can see what it looks like from the back. And this is a very easy, beginner-friendly unit. This takes no time to install and it requires little skill as possible. And as you can see, it still gives you the slayed look. So if you are interested in purchasing this unit, as always, I will have everything used in this video provided in the description box down below. But wait, what we gonna call her? Y'all know I'm gonna need y'all help naming this beauty. Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the faithful fam, smash that subscribe button before you leave. I'd love to have you. And while you're at it, why don't you go ahead and watch one of these other videos? I'm sure you'll enjoy it just as well. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.